Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style mackerel fry recipe. It's so tasty recipe. Try it along with rice or you can have it alone. You will really love the flavor of the recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 4 garlic cloves, 2-inch size ginger, 2 shallots, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon Kasmiri Red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, some curry leaves. Also add 2 tablespoon water. Grind it into a semi-thick paste form. In a plate, take the cleaned mackerel. Coat the grinded mixture on it nicely. Coat all the sides well. Keep marinated for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can fry it. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Fry it on medium flame until it becomes crispy. Cook for 2 minutes. We can switch off the flame. Our Kerala style mackerel fry recipe is ready. You will really love the crispiness of the recipe. You can have it alone or with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.